Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be making this black and silver leaf engagement cake. This is a buttercream decorated cake, so I'll leave a link in the description box and the eye icon for the recipe on how to make the buttercream. I have 3 fake tier cakes, so these are styrofoam dummies, and I'm using these because I am not going to be feeding anybody with these cakes. There is just way too much cake wastage. But you get the idea. You could just follow the exact same steps for a regular cake. Coat the top and the outside and then use a bench scraper to smooth down the sides and bring that lip of frosting to the center with your spatula. Pop it into the freezer to set completely, it only takes about half an hour or so, and do the same for your other tiers. If you'd like to see how to construct an actual 3-tier real cake, I do have a tutorial and I'll link it in the eye icon and the description box below as well. The base is stuck to the cake stand and I've stuck it on there with a little bit of buttercream, and then I freeze my cakes so they don't move around as I decorate them. Fill in any pockets as you go, smooth it all down, and then bring that lip of frosting to the center. Once your cakes are nice and frozen, remove them from the base by running a really hot, thin knife or spatula underneath, separating them from the board. And then stick them together with buttercream. The only difference here, if you were using a real cake, is dowels. Leave a demonstration on how to do that in the description and eye icon as well. At the base of each tier you are going to see a little bit of a crack between where one cake starts and ends. Just add in a little bit of buttercream into the space with a piping bag with a really thin cut at the end, and then smooth it down with a bench scraper. You could put a ribbon here as well to hide it, totally up to you. And then stick on your silver leaf. You could use your hands or the back of the paper that it came on as well if you don't want to get your hands dirty. Being black buttercream frosting, this stuff stains your skin like no tomorrow, so you may want to wear some gloves as you're doing this. You can usually find edible silver leaf at your cake decorating supply store or online as well. Just make sure that this is 100% edible, not just non-toxic. To get your buttercream frosting nice and dark, use cocoa powder and then a whole lot of black gel food color. For the flowers, I used fake flowers that I bought from the bargain store. Not that these were a bargain, they're actually pretty expensive, but they're very good quality looking flowers. Stick them onto your cake with a little bit of that black buttercream. I'd recommend staying with the same color as your cake, that way you can't see the glue behind the flowers. Add on any embellishments. These flowers came with these beautiful little greenery embellishments, so that was a bonus. Alternatively, you can use real flowers, macarons, meringues, anything that will look really good. Just make sure it's bright and colorful so it pops really nicely off your black cake. And you are done! I hope you guys enjoyed this design and give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can see your awesome creations as well. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video.